lose weight fast, but safely. That said, many diet plans leave you feeling hungry or unsatisfied. These are major reasons why you might find it hard to stick to a diet. However, not all diets have this effect. Low-carb diets are effective for weight loss and may be easier to stick to than other diets. Here's a 3-step weight loss plan that employs a low-carb diet and aims to significantly reduce your appetite, cause fast weight loss, improve your metabolic health at the same time. 1. Cut back on carbs. The most important part is to cut back on sugars and starches, or carbohydrates. When you do that, your hunger levels go down, and you generally end up eating significantly fewer calories. Instead of burning carbs for energy, your body now starts burning stored fat for energy. Another benefit of cutting carbs is that it lowers insulin levels, causing the kidneys to shed excess sodium and water. This reduces bloating and unnecessary water weight. According to some dietitians, it's not uncommon to lose up to 10 pounds, sometimes more, in the first week of eating this way. This weight loss includes both body fat and water weight. One study in healthy women with obesity reported that a very low-carb diet was more effective than a low-fat diet for short-term weight loss. Put simply, reducing carbs can lead to quick, easy weight loss. 2. Eat protein, fat, and vegetables. Each one of your meals should include a protein source, fat source, and low-carb vegetables. As a general rule, try eating 2 to 3 meals per day. If you find yourself hungry in the afternoon, add a 4th meal. Constructing your meals in this way should bring your carb intake down to around 20 to 50 grams per day. To see how you can assemble your meals, check out this low-carb meal plan and list of 101 healthy low-carb recipes. Protein. Eating plenty of protein is an essential part of this plan. Evidence suggests that eating lots of protein may boost calorie expenditure by 80 to 100 calories per day. High-protein diets can also reduce cravings and obsessive thoughts about food by 60%, reduce the desire to snack late at night by half, and make you feel full. In one study, people on a higher protein diet ate 441 fewer calories per day. When it comes to losing weight, protein is a crucial nutrient to think about. Healthy protein sources include meat, beef, chicken, pork, and lamb, fish and seafood, salmon, trout, and shrimp, eggs, whole eggs with the yolk, plant-based proteins, beans, legumes, and soy, low-carb vegetables. A diet based mostly on lean protein sources and vegetables contains all the fiber, vitamins, and minerals you need to be healthy. Many vegetables are low in carbs, including broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, tomatoes, kale, sprouts, cabbage, lettuce, cucumber. Healthy fats. Don't be afraid of eating fats. Trying to do low carb and low fat at the same time can make sticking to the diet very difficult. Sources of healthy fats include olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, butter. 3. Lift weights 3 times per week. You don't need to exercise to lose weight on this plan, but it will have extra benefits. By lifting weights, you will burn lots of calories and prevent your metabolism from slowing down, which is a common side effect of losing weight. Studies on low-carb diets show that you can gain a bit of muscle while losing significant amounts of body fat. Try going to the gym 3 to 4 times a week to lift weights. If you're new to the gym, ask a trainer for some advice. If lifting weights is not an option for you, doing some cardio workouts like walking, jogging, running, cycling, or swimming will suffice. Both cardio and weightlifting can help with weight loss. What about calories and portion control? It's not necessary to count calories as long as you keep your carb intake very low and stick to protein, fat, and low-carb vegetables. However, if you want to count them, you can use a free online calculator like this one. Enter your sex, weight, height, and activity levels. The calculator will tell you how many calories to eat per day to maintain your weight, lose weight, or lose weight fast. You can also download free, easy-to-use calorie counters from websites and app stores. Here is a list of 5 calorie counters to try. 4. Here are tips to lose weight faster. Eat a high-protein breakfast. Eating a high-protein breakfast could reduce cravings and calorie intake throughout the day. Avoid sugary drinks and fruit juice. These are among the most fattening things you can put into your body. Drink water before meals. One study showed that drinking water a half hour before meals increased weight loss by 44% over 3 months. Eat soluble fiber. Studies show that soluble fibers may promote weight loss. Fiber supplements like glucosamine can also help. Drink coffee or tea. Caffeine boosts your metabolism by 3 to 11%. Base your diet on whole foods. They are healthier, more filling, and much less likely to cause overeating than processed foods. Eat slowly. Eating quickly can lead to weight gain over time, while eating slowly makes you feel more full and boosts weight-reducing hormones. Weigh yourself every day. Studies show that people who weigh themselves every day are much more likely to lose weight and keep it off for a long time. Get good quality sleep. Sleep is important for many reasons, and poor sleep is one of the biggest risk factors for weight gain. How fast will you lose weight? You may lose 5 to 10 pounds of weight, sometimes more, in the first week of the diet plan, and then lose weight consistently after that. If you're new to dieting, weight loss may happen more quickly. The more weight you have to lose, the faster you will lose it. For the first few days, you might feel a bit strange. Your body is used to running off carbs, and it can take time for it to get used to burning fat instead. Some people experience the keto flu, or low-carb flu. It's usually over within a few days. After the first few days, most people report feeling very good, with even more energy than before.